Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best RC submarines for adults in 2026. Ultimate Underwater Exploration Drones. After extensive research across multiple trusted sources, I've put together a list of the best options to suit different types of buyers. Whether you're looking for the best value, professional performance, or the perfect underwater drone for exploration, there's something here for you. For more information about each product, you'll find all the links in the description below. Keep in mind that this is not a hands-on review, but a showcase of some of the best underwater drones available today. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to leave a like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to the channel for more top tech and RC content. Number 5. In 5th place is the YSEA FIFISH V6 Expert, the ideal choice for anyone looking for a professional underwater drone for inspections, research, and underwater exploration. Unlike recreational models, this advanced ROV is built to handle demanding tasks with outstanding precision. Its biggest advantage is the modular platform, which allows you to attach a wide range of accessories, including a robotic arm, sonar, additional cameras, and measurement tools, making it adaptable to virtually any mission. Its 360-degree omnidirectional movement provides exceptional control even in tight spaces, while the powerful 6,000 lumen LED lights and 4K camera deliver crystal clear footage, even in dark or low visibility waters. Another major strength is its outstanding stability during inspections and video recording, allowing you to capture fine details with impressive accuracy. With a maximum operating depth of 100 meters and support for continuous power systems for extended missions, the FIFISH V6 Expert is widely used for industrial inspections, scientific research, aquaculture, marine conservation, and search and rescue operations. Number 4. In 4th place is the Chasing DORY, the best budget underwater drone for anyone who wants to start exploring the underwater world without spending a fortune. Compact, lightweight, and incredibly portable, it easily fits into a backpack, making it perfect for travel, vacations, and outdoor adventures. Despite its small size, it features a full HD camera with real-time video transmission to your smartphone, allowing you to capture high-quality photos and videos with ease. Its controls are simple and intuitive, making it an excellent choice for beginners and first-time underwater drone users. With a maximum diving depth of around 15 meters, it's perfect for exploring lakes, rivers, swimming pools, and coastal waters, giving you the chance to observe fish, reefs, and other underwater environments. The battery provides enough runtime for enjoyable exploration sessions without unnecessary hassle. If you're looking for an affordable, portable, and easy-to-use underwater drone, the Chasing DORY delivers an outstanding balance of price, performance, and fun, making it one of the best entry-level options for underwater exploration. Number 3. In 3rd place is the FIFISH V-EVO, the best underwater drone with a 360-degree camera, designed for creators, filmmakers, and underwater enthusiasts who demand exceptional image quality. It stands out with its unique 360-degree rotating 4K camera, allowing you to capture incredible angles and smooth cinematic footage that traditional underwater drones simply can't achieve. Its powerful imaging system produces sharp, vibrant videos with excellent color accuracy, even in challenging underwater conditions. Combined with bright LED lights and highly stable movement, it delivers professional-looking results, whether you're filming marine life, coral reefs, shipwrecks, or underwater adventures. The FIFISH V-EVO also features precise omnidirectional maneuverability, making it easy to navigate around obstacles and capture dynamic shots from virtually any angle. Its intuitive controls and reliable performance have made it a popular choice among professional underwater filmmakers, content creators, and marine researchers. If your priority is stunning 4K footage and unmatched camera flexibility, the FIFISH V-EVO is one of the best underwater drones you can buy for professional quality underwater filming. Number 2. In second place is the Chasing GLADIUS Mini S, widely regarded as one of the best professional underwater drones in terms of value for money. Designed for content creators, divers, researchers, and underwater exploration enthusiasts, it combines advanced performance with a highly competitive price. Its biggest highlight is the 4K UHD camera, capable of capturing incredibly sharp videos and detailed photos, even in low light conditions. With a maximum diving depth of 100 meters, it allows you to explore coral reefs, shipwrecks, lakes, and other underwater environments with complete confidence. Another major advantage is its impressive battery life, allowing for extended filming and inspection sessions without frequent recharging. Excellent image stability and intuitive controls make this ROV an outstanding choice for both professional applications and high-quality content creation for YouTube and social media. If you're looking for a powerful, reliable underwater drone with professional features without paying flagship prices, the Chasing GLADIUS Mini S is undoubtedly one of the best options available today. Number 1. In first place is the Chasing M2S, widely regarded as one of the best professional underwater drones for those seeking maximum performance, versatility, and reliability. Built for inspections, underwater filming, scientific research, and advanced exploration, this ROV delivers professional-grade capabilities for even the most demanding users. Its biggest strength is the ability to dive to depths of up to 100 meters, combined with a high-quality 4K camera that captures exceptionally sharp and detailed footage. Its outstanding stability ensures smooth, precise videos, even in strong currents or during complex underwater maneuvers. Another major advantage is its compatibility with a wide range of accessories, including a robotic arm, sonar, additional lighting, and other professional tools, making it an incredibly versatile platform for a variety of underwater missions. If you're looking for an underwater drone that combines outstanding image quality, powerful performance, rock-solid stability, and exceptional expandability, the Chasing M2S stands out as the best overall choice of 2026 for professionals and enthusiasts who want to explore the underwater world without compromise. I hope this video has been helpful and has clarified some of your doubts. To get more information about the products, or to find out which one fits your budget, just click on the links in the descriptions. I don't mention the prices of the products because when you're watching the video, the prices may not match, as they vary depending on the time of year and can also go on sale. See you in the next video.